Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to see your Facebook password in iPhone or iPad. Are you the one who keeps on forgetting their password each time they set a new one? Then don't worry, you're in luck. So today in this video I will be walking you through these steps of how to retrieve your password without having to reset them. So let's delve into the video. So the first thing that I want you to do is go and open your Spotlight, and on the Spotlight search for passwords. There you will see a gear like settings icon and passwords written right beside it. Tap on it. Now here on the search bar, search for Facebook, and there you will see the accounts of Facebook. Tap on it and then tap on password. You will be asked a Face ID to get that password. So after you have a Face ID done, you will there see your Facebook password that you were searching for. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more social media hacks and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.